Hey creative friends, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning AI images and bring them to life as videos, all using Fotor. We'll cover smart tips, avoid common mistakes, and get the best results using Fotor's tools and templates. Plus, these skills can help you shine in Fotor's community challenges and even earn some credits. Let's jump in. Head over to Fotor and log in. You'll find a full creative toolkit at your fingertips, from AI image and video generation to powerful photo and video editing. In this section, we're diving into the AI image generator. First, head over to Fotor's AI image generator. Type your image idea into the prompt box, and add anything you don't want in the negative prompt field. Next, choose an art style from the available options, and pick your desired aspect ratio. You'll also find a tool here to help enhance your prompt for even better results. Finally, hit generate. Easy, right? Okay, now let's deep dive into how to craft the perfect image. To get the best results, your prompt usually needs a few key elements. Start with your subject and be specific about its appearance or actions. Next, add the environment. What's in the background? Then choose an art style, like photorealistic, cartoon, or even something inspired by a famous artist. Think about lighting and composition, and mood. Maybe it's a dramatic, moonlit scene or a close-up shot at sunrise. Do you want something epic, mysterious, or cheerful? And don't forget quality keywords. And critically, don't skip the negative prompt field in Fotor. This is where you tell the AI what to avoid. Okay, let's see this in action. Here's the actual Fotor prompt I used that worked beautifully. It's a young cat that looks like Harry Potter. He has dark fur, green eyes, a little lightning scar, and tiny glasses. He's casting a spell with his wand, and there are bright sparks flying out. The style is magical and detailed, with soft lighting and a simple background. Now for the negative prompt field. I kept it focused to avoid common flaws. And that's that. But even with detailed prompts, AI can sometimes get things a little wrong. One common issue? Duplicate characters. That happened when I first tried to create our Ron Weasley cat. Here's the original prompt I used, and Fotor gave me 2 ginger cats. So what went wrong? Well, I think the problem was in how I described the subject. I said, young anthropomorphic ginger tabby cat. Ron Weasley as a cat. And that likely confused the AI. It might have read it as 2 separate cats, one a young ginger tabby, and another Ron Weasley as a cat. Now, compare that to our successful Harry Potter cat prompt. That word, resembling, helps the AI know it's one character with specific traits. So, to fix the double Ron issue, I just rewrote the prompt to make it super clear, and that version worked perfectly. Now, here's another funny AI quirk. Sometimes, your chosen aspect ratio can change how many characters show up, even if you only asked for 1. I saw this with our Ron. I used a prompt of him walking through a Hogwarts corridor. When I used a 1:1 square ratio, perfect, 1 Ron. But with the exact same prompt in a 16:9 widescreen ratio, I often got 2 Rons. So, Why does that happen? Well, wider images give the AI more space, and it might try to fill it, often with extra characters. It's just part of how it's been trained. Wider scenes usually have more going on. So if your image looks off, try changing the aspect ratio. Sometimes, that's all it takes to fix it. In Fotor's AI video generator section, just click on Image to Video. You'll see some preset templates available, but we're going to keep it simple. Choose Image to Video, upload your image, and then write a short animation prompt. Be specific about what kind of action or camera movement you want. Something simple and clean works best. Next, choose your resolution and duration, then hit Generate. And that's it. You've got a motion version of your image. If you want to take it up a notch, try using Fotor's Video Enhancer to boost the quality. Here's our result. And now, just download it, and you're good to go. Alright, next up, the first and last frame animation feature. This one's super easy. Just upload your first image, then upload your last image. Fotor will automatically create a smooth transition between the two frames. It's a simple way to show a scene evolving or a character moving. For better results, make sure both images have a similar style and subject position. The AI blends them, so the smoother the match, the more natural the animation looks. Here's the result. Not exactly what I imagined, but hey, it's acceptable. Alright, now let's check out the reference to video feature. This one is really handy, and it's super simple to use. It works with 3 images. One for the character, one for the object, and one for the background. For example, let's say you want to show a cat walking through a dark jungle, holding a candle. First, upload your 3 images. The character could be the cat, the object is a candle, and the background is a jungle. Then, in the prompt box, you type something like, "A cat going through the darkness of a jungle while holding a candle." That's it. Also, there are other fun templates too, like kiss, hug, dance, and more, that you can try out easily. Thanks for watching, love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.